Hello YouTube, good morning to all. Welcome you all to Spikers with Sathak tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to draw beach wave using acrylic paint. So today we are not going to use sketches or color pencils. Be ready with your acrylic paint. Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, now let's start with the basic outline. For the water, paint with light blue, that is sky blue. That is use your blue color and white color to make the water, which is meeting near the shore. Use dark blue from where the wave is starting. That is the bottom of the wave. Use dark blue, white, and yellow to make a green for the middle. That is the center of the wave, which is transparent. Use some more blue for the top side of the wave. Use some light, little bit blue for the shadow, which is where the wave is folding. Paint with black for the rocks. It means the wave is hitting the rock and splashing. Use white color with the two times white color with some brown color to make the shore. Use shadow color, that is dark blue, wherever the wave is folding. Paint the foam with white color. You have to use more white color for this wave painting. Highlight the rock which is hitting the wave with white color. The only thing is perspective. Now I'm drawing the sea water movements, like little bit lines, which are all meeting at one common point. This is called perspective. So to make the waves like it's rotate, it's folding. Use arc-shaped dots in the waves. Draw some heavy forms. Draw some heavy forms in the water. Now let us go to the background. For the background, use black color and dark green. So we can make some trees like structure. For sky, use light blue and white. Draw some details like rocks in the seashore. Use brown color and white color for the shadings. With white color, draw the splashing of water when the wave is hitting the rocks. draw heavy forms using white color. For drawing this too, you should use the method of perspective. The right side should the left side is the far away from the right side. So you have to use perspective. For the sea, in the place where it's meeting the seashore, you have to use white color. For the shadow color near the seashore, use red color, white color, and blue color. Use use the green and white for the for painting the trees in the background. That's all. Thank you. You can. This is a simple way to paint the waves. You can try it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my video. If you are not like this video, please tell your opinion in the comment section, and I will meet you next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.